Should I work out or should I not during and after this lockdown? So this is the question that I got. My name is Dhaval Bhadeshia. I'm a nutrition coach and a personal trainer. I love sweets and I hate meal plans. So today I'm going to answer this question, whether you should work out or you should not during this lockdown and even after it's over. So let's divide it into two categories. One, let's understand why do we work out, and second, what is different during and after this lockdown. So let's look at the first one. Why do we work out? So we work out because we want to improve our health, and most of us don't work out because we want to. We work out because we have to. It's not because we like it. We do it because we need it. So yes, we need to work out because we want to improve our health. Now you may ask, what do you mean by improving our health? The answer is stronger bones, stronger muscles, stronger joints, healthier heart, better capacity for your lungs, improved immunity, better resistance to disease. All of these mean improved health, and that's the reason we work out. Now there is another category where people work out for, which is if you're trying to add muscle, if you're trying to lose weight, or if you're working out for aesthetic and athletic reasons. So these are four other categories broadly for which people work out, and we'll talk about that later. So the first or the primary reason most of us work out is because we want to improve our health. Now let's understand why and what is different in this lockdown. So if you're somebody like me, during this lockdown, you don't have household domestic help which was available. So most of the things which was done by people who you hired to do work for you is not available anymore. So what are we doing? We are cleaning, wiping, sweeping, and doing all the work on our own. So if you are doing that, and if you are spending 30 to 90 minutes doing that, that's good enough activity for you to be active. You don't have to really worry about missing your workout, missing your classes or gym. In fact, I have interviewed a lot of fitness professionals who are highly respected, and when we were talking, everybody had one answer, that gym is not the real reason for people to go and work out, or you don't need gym to become healthy. You can do physical activity of any kind and you can be healthy. So if that's you, you got your answer. Now there are other four categories that I talked about: people trying to lose weight, add muscle, athletic or aesthetic performances, right? So when you're doing that, yes, you need to work out because your workouts are much more special and they're more targeted to a specific area. So you may want to concentrate on that. But at the same time, remember, if you're going that level, your nutrition plays even more important role than your workout. So make sure you take care of your nutrition. So now coming to the second part, what's different in this lockdown, right? So what is different is we don't have the help that we were getting before this lockdown. So just look at our ancestors, grandparents. If you don't have to go back too much, they didn't get all the help that we are getting right now to get things done using machines and people. They were healthier than us, and there is no debate about it, right? So yes, if you're doing that work, that's fine. You don't have to work out. You're more than sorted there. Now what happens after the lockdown? So we are almost at the end of specified lockdown. We don't know what's going to happen, but we're expecting that the things will start coming back to normal. But let's accept the fact, based on global consensus and everybody that I've listened to says, some of the things may come back, but some of the things may not come back to normal. So again, for you could be busier taking care of other things in your coming days when the workout is lifted, the lockdown is lifted. But what you can do is you can still count your 30 to 90 minutes of activity. If you are doing that every day, don't have to worry about workout, don't have to worry about gym, you're more than sorted. So I hope I answered your question. My name is Dhaval Bhadeshia. I'm a nutrition coach. If you have any questions with health and fitness, feel free to drop in over here and I'm going to answer that in the next episode. Thank you. See you soon.